Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hello friends, how are you? I am Chirag Daruwal and today we are going to talk about the daily horoscope for 10th May 2023. We start with the zodiac sign Aries. Ganesha says you will have a burst of creative energy that will help you to achieve your goals. Trust your intuition and take action on your ideas. You will meet someone who shares your passion for adventure and takes your breath away. Embrace the excitement and take a chance on love. You should take a calculated risk in your career as it will lead to significant rewards. Taurus. Ganesha says you will experience a financial windfall that will help you achieve your long term goals. Use this opportunity to invest in your future and pursue your dreams. You will deepen your bond with your partner and enjoy a period of peace and harmony. You should trust your instincts when it comes to making career decisions as they will lead you to success. Success is within your reach. Health wise, there is nothing to worry about. Gemini. Ganesha says you will be presented with exciting new opportunities that will help you grow personally and professionally. You will experience a deep connection with someone new, but you may struggle to express your feelings. You should focus on developing new skills and expanding your knowledge to achieve success in your career. You should take care of your mental health by practicing self care and prioritizing time for yourself. Cancer. Ganesha says you will experience a renewed sense of purpose and direction in your life. You will deepen your connection with your partner and enjoy a period of romance and passion. Focus on intimacy and communication. You should focus on networking and building relationships to achieve success in your career. You need to prioritize self care and pay attention to your physical and mental health. Leo. Ganesha says you will experience a surge of confidence and charisma that will help you achieve success in all areas of your life. You will attract new romantic opportunities and enjoy a period of passion and excitement. You should take charge and lead the way in your career. You need to prioritize rest and relaxation to avoid burnout. Virgo. Ganesha says you will have a breakthrough moment in your personal life that helps you achieve a greater sense of self awareness and confidence. You will experience a strong emotional connection with someone new, but be cautious about moving too quickly and ignoring red flags. You may get good opportunities in some good company. Libra. Ganesha says you will have a major creative breakthrough that leads to recognition and success in your chosen field. You will experience a period of self discovery that helps you attract more compatible partners and deepen existing relationships. You will have to make a tough decision that challenges your values or ethics but ultimately leads to greater success and respect. You will benefit from making small changes to your diet or exercise routine that help you feel more energized and confident. Scorpio. Ganesha says you will have a transformative experience that helps you shed old patterns and beliefs and embrace your true power and potential. You will experience a deepen relationship of your emotional connection with a current or potential partner. You will have to navigate a challenging situation that requires patience, strategy, and adaptability. Sagittarius. Ganesha says you will experience a period of growth and expansion in your personal and professional life as you embrace new opportunities and take risks to pursue your dreams. Today, you may get some good opportunities in your career, and students who are wishing to go abroad for further education may plan to do it. I am sure they will get very good success. Capricorn, Ganesha says this is a great time for you to focus on your career and work towards achieving your goals. If you are in a committed relationship, this is a time of stability and security. If you are single, you may meet someone who shares your values and work ethics. You have a knack for making smart investments and you will be presented with an opportunity to invest in something that will pay off in the long run. Health wise, you will remain fit. Aquarius, Ganesha says your creative and innovative ideas will definitely set you apart from the crowd and lead to success. Your unique perspective will be appreciated by others and could lead to new opportunities. This is a time of growth and exploration in your love life and in your professional life as well. You have the potential, and yes, you will take on a leadership role in your workplace and make positive changes. Pisces, Ganesha says you have a strong intuition and are able to trust your gut instincts. This will serve you well in all areas of your life, from relationships to career decisions. You have a deep and spiritual connection with your partner, and this is a time of growth and exploration in your relationship. You will be presented with a new and exciting opportunity, but it's important to carefully weigh the pros and cons before making any decision. Don't be afraid to ask for advice from trusted colleagues or mentors. I am sure you will do wonders well today. Overall, it will be a good day. I am sure you will enjoy your day. Be positive, stay happy, and stay healthy in your life. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.